Knot trailer braking systems have been in use around the world for decades. We're going to take a look at why these braking systems are so easy for towers and really efficient for trailer manufacturers. We'll start with the coupling. You'll notice that there's a red breakaway cable. This clips onto the towing vehicle and is there as a safety measure should the trailer become detached from the towing vehicle. When the cable is pulled, the brakes are applied, meaning you don't have a runaway trailer. We'll also notice that there's not much else to connect. As this is a mechanical override system, there's no battery system to run a hydraulic control system, and there's no need for Bluetooth or wired in-cab controller either. So how does this work? As your vehicle slows down, the trailer momentum pushes the coupling forward onto the tow ball. The coupling barrel contains a piston that applies pressure to the braking system. The harder you brake, the more pressure is applied to the brakes. We can see this in action with some fairly extreme braking. You can hook the trailer up to any vehicle that is suitable for towing. No need to keep track of control units or checking battery charge. Just hook it up and go. Reversing with this system isn't a problem. It's often one of those things that the trailer owner loves. Within the brake hubs is a cam system that relieves the brakes when the wheels roll backwards. There's no need to flick the system into reverse or hop out of the cab to adjust things. Simply reverse and park. Installing the braking system is simple and significantly faster than putting in a hydraulic system. A push rod connects the coupling to a spreader bar where the load is shared across braking cables that connect up to the brake hubs. The brakes can be adjusted at the spreader bar and plate and on the hub. The Knot override braking system is suitable up to 3.5 tons with 2.7 and 3.5 ton couplings available.